Okay, so we want to find out if this converges or diverges. With something like this, given that we know that something about a p-series, where you have 1 over n to the p, and we know that when p is greater than 1, it converges. When we know that this series converges if p is greater than 1, since we know that, and we know that this here is very, very similar to a series that looks like this, and that would converge because 3 is obviously greater than 1, then we know that this also converges. Because this, not just because it's similar, but because it's less. Because it's less. And we know it's less because think about what the sum means. What are we talking about here? We're talking about a sequence of terms, and we're adding the terms in that sequence. So this one's going to have smaller terms, obviously, because we're adding 8 in that denominator. That one, we're not adding anything to the denominator. So the denominator is smaller. That means that, as a whole, this sum is going to be smaller. So that's how we finish with this one, really. It converges by by knowing about the p-series and then using a comparison.